Hi students, so here we go for the problem. If third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? So it is given, first you write the given. So third term, A3. So third term is the 4. A3, the generally we can write as a plus 2D is equal to 4. And ninth term, A9, which we will write as a plus 8D is equal to minus 8. And we have to find which term of this AP is 0. Right? So to find which term of the AP is 0, we need what is the A and what is the D, and then only we can find what is the N when AN equal to 0. That's the ask. Which term of AP is 0? Which term of AP is 0? We should know the what is the N. So before knowing the N, we have to find what is the A and what is the D. So here we can find what is the A and D just by this two linear equation. It's like a linear equation, just like an equation 1, equation 2. So by adding, I will use elimination method. So the A will be eliminated. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Minus, so just by changing the sign, it will become A will be eliminated. 2 minus 8 is a minus 6D, and 4 plus 8 is a 12. And so the D is equal to minus 2. Right? So 12 divided by minus 6 is a minus 2. So we found a D, then we can find A easily just by substituting in any of the equation. Let me try in the first equation. So substitute D is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So it is a plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4, which is A plus minus 4 is equal to 4. So if minus 4 goes there, it will become a plus 4. So A is equal to 4 plus 4 when A is equal to 8. So we found A is equal to 8. Then we have to find for N. What is the N? When AN is equal to 0. Just by applying the general form, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 0 and A is 8 plus N we have to find, and D is the minus 2. So if you bring 8 inside, it will become minus 8 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. If you divide, it will become a minus cancel 4. So 4 is equal to N minus 1. If you bring minus 1 here, it will plus, so 5. So N is equal to 5. Then the 0 is the fifth term of this AP. Therefore, fifth term of AP is 0. Here we go for the next word problem. If the 17th term of AP exceed its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. We have to find the D. So given is 17th term of AP. A 17th term will represent A17 with of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Exceeds means more than, right? So 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So 10th term will represent as A10. It exceeds by the 7. Right? Clear? So 17th term which is exceeds the 10th term by 7. Right? Just you substitute the general form of A17 and A10, you will obtain a general difference. So A17 we can write as a plus 16D, right? N minus 1D is equal to A10 we can write as a plus 9D plus 7. So here my plus A minus A, if you bring here, it will become a 0. And if you bring a 9 here, it will become a minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is a 7. So 7D is equal to 7. And D is equal to 1. That's common difference is 1. Clear? So make sure that A17 is equal to A10 plus 7, because the 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. Then just by applying the general term, you will obtain. So here we go for the next problem. Which term of the AP3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than the A54th term? So we don't know what is the term. So that term, just we consider it as a AN. So which term? So let me consider as a term. Which term of AP will be 132 more? So 132 more means addition, right? More than the a 54th term. That's it. So from this you find what is the a and d. Just substitute here. You will find a n. What is this n? So which term? Term means number of the term n. Right? Clear. So what is a? A is equal to 3 and d is equal to 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. That's it. Just write the general form here. A and we can write as a plus n minus 1 into d. 132 plus this we can write as a plus 54. So it is a 53 d. So substitute a and d value here. It will become a 3 plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 132 plus, d we can substitute, right? Instead of d we can substitute 12 here. A is a 3 plus 53 into, here it is a 12, right? So just to bring 3 this side, it will be subtraction. N minus 1 into 12 is equal to 132 plus 3 plus 53 into 12 is 636 minus 3. If you bring this minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 132 plus 636 is a 768. Right. So n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 768. If you divide the 12 table, it will come 6 times 4, 64 times. So n minus 1 is equal to 64. If you divide, it will become a 64. And if you bring 1 here, it will become a plus. So n is equal to 65. So 65th term of this AP will be 132 more than the A54th term. Therefore, 65th term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So here we go for the next problem. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between the 100th term is 100. What is the difference between the 1000th term? So that is considered 2 AP. Let is the first AP. Let me consider this as a second AP. So first term let me consider as an A, and here the first term let me consider as a capital A. Okay, and they said the common difference is same. So difference is same. Here is also D, here is also D. And given condition, difference between the 100th term is 100. So difference of the 100th term of this AP and 100th term of this AP is 100. So difference of first AP. So just consider this as a small a and a capital A, right? So A 100 minus capital A 100 is equal to difference is given as a 100. So let us substitute the general term. A 100 will write as a plus 99D minus, here A I represent as a capital A. So capital A plus 99D is equal to 100. Let me expand this bracket by multiplying minus inside. A plus 99D minus A minus 99D is equal to 100. So plus 99D minus 99D is 0. So A minus capital A is equal to 100. So difference of the first term is also the 100. So they asked to find what is the difference between the 1000th term. So likewise we will substitute. So A 1000 minus capital A 1000. This is what we have to find. So let me apply the general term. This we can write as a plus 999D minus capital A. Here the first term is capital A that we have assumed, because the first term is doesn't say same. Only common difference are same here. So A plus 999D. So this is equal to, just we multiple inside, A plus 999D minus capital A minus 999D. So plus 999D and minus 999D will become a 0. So balances A minus. So difference of A and capital A. We already found the difference of A and minus capital A is a 100. Just you substitute here, it will become a 100. So the difference of the 1000 term is also the 100. Therefore, difference of 2 AP's 1000 term is also 100. Clear? So in the beginning they given it is a 2 AP's, so it's just a different first term, it's a small a and capital A, and they given the common difference are same, the same D. From the given condition, the difference of the 100th term is A, so the small a is written as a 100 and capital A, second term is a capital A 100, so difference is 100. From this we obtain a first difference of the first two terms. So just we are finding the difference of the 1000th term. There we apply the previous difference of first two terms, we will get a 100. Thank you.